Hey there! In this video I will show you how to create custom file templates for your Unreal Engine C++ project using Rider. I encountered this issue when I needed to create a struct or an enum, as Rider doesn't provide any existing templates for these. But fortunately enough, adding a new template is pretty fast, and once set up, you won't need to worry about it ever again, and just can create new structs and enum files in just a few clicks. Inside your IDE, go to the main menu, click on Settings and open the Editor tab here. Once there, you can open the file templates and there Unreal Engine. Here you will find all the templates that Rider provides for your Unreal Engine projects, and we can extend it with our own file templates. Let's add a new template with the plus icon. I will just name the default file name as struct.h. because we want to add a new template for a struct file. The description would be struct and the group will be Unreal class. Ensure to use Unreal class as a group and not something else, as we will use macros that will change the name of the struct to your declared file name, and these macros only work when the group is Unreal class. Okay, in the left box we will create our template. First up we will create a copyright line. This is not important if you don't care about copyright, but all the other templates use this macro, so I will just add it here also. Then we will add a pragma1 statement and include the generated header file. This will also use a macro, which will be unprefixed class name .generated.h. So the unprefixed class name comes from the Unreal class group and is a macro that will just change its name to the name that you defined as a file name. Then we just declare uStruct. In this case, I will default to blueprint type for our structs. Struct f. The f is important as the f is the default prefix for any struct in Unreal Engine. Then again, we need the macro for the unprefixed class name. And finally, the generated body. Don't forget the semicolon at the end, and we are done. Now we can save the file. I would just change the name to struct2 in this case, because I already created a struct template and I just want to make sure it works. So we can save. And now we can go to Add, Unreal Class, and at the bottom of the list, or maybe somewhere else in between, you should see your Struct Template. I will call my Struct Template here in this case Test Struct. Okay, and it generated the struct successfully. Yes. So we have our test struct.generated.h here and fteststruct. Let's create another template for enums because they also don't exist in the file templates. I will just go and copy everything from the struct template, create a new one. In this case enum2.h, again enum, Unreal class, paste it. And now make sure to use enum class because it's in enum, and change the f to an e for the prefix. And now we can remove the generated body. And maybe we should also add a default case. Let's go for default. And a u meta tag for display name. And let's go for an hidden option. Okay, let's save it. Add a new Unreal class again, and there it is, the enum2. Yes, and this is also working, so now you can have enum classes and structs. If you found this short tutorial useful, I would really appreciate if you could take a moment to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your interaction truly helps in the growth and visibility of this channel, allowing me to create more content like this. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.